Every little mod that I do on my FJ Cruiser doesn't warrant a video. But when I got several of them, I'll share them with you. Remember these? My shift knobs. Well, I had shift knob envy. And I solved that by replacing them with the same thing everybody else has. I found them on a local newspaper on ads for sale things, and they're basically pretty cheap. And I embossed the lettering with red to go with my birthday present that I gave myself, the red AJTs. But the newest toy that I'm playing with is this. I'm doing a hardwired in dash cam. This is a Vantrue N1 Pro, I believe. I'll put the link in the description in case you're interested. But basically, the dash cam and hardwire kit, which I wired myself, you know, the wire's got to run along the headliner and down the A-pillar into the fuse box. But for less than $100 all totaled, I got me a dash cam. The cool thing about this is it's all automatic. And what kind of a tuber would I be if I told you about my dash cam, but I didn't show you a sample of the footage? Because that's what everybody wants to know is, will I be able to pull a license plate off of a vehicle from my dash cam? So here, yeah, definitely right in front of you, that white Subi up in the straight ahead lane. I think you can pull that if you enlarge it. And it gets street signs and everything else pretty decent for the price anyways. All right, man, that's it. I'm out of here. See ya.